Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Today's video is on how to use your sound mood lamp in a 2021 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX Premium all-wheel drive in Neptune Blue. Let's get started. This specific Seltos has the new software upgrade. From the main page, we're going to swipe to the left. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, we have sound mood lamp. First thing we're going to do is make sure that it is turned on. Once it is on, you now have the option to choose between a color theme or just have it glow a specific color. We can scroll through your options, and at the bottom, you have the option to turn Music Plus on. Music Plus will allow you to have the colors pulse to the beat of the music. You can also adjust how bright you want it. When we go into glow, and go through the same type options, again, you can turn on the pulsation to the beat of the music or adjust your brightness level. If you use it often and you'd like to change it up often, you can use the white star or the white favorite button here. Press that and have it select the sound mood lamp. So it's a direct shortcut, so you can play around with your colors, have it pulse to the beat of the music, have some fun with it. If your Seltos hasn't received the new update yet, no need to panic. If your home screen looks like this, the previous version, no worries. All we have to do is still swipe to the left twice, then sound mood lamp is your option, and these screens are the same. We'll make sure it's turned on. You can select you want to do color theme or glow only, and still be able to select it to pulse to the beat of the music, as well as adjust your brightness level. One last note, the sound mood lamp will only activate when your headlights are on at night, and they will deactivate when the door is open. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, please hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. And please give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks again, guys.